Here we have a 68 plate BMW 330i M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the blue M Sport brakes as well. We also have the Alpine white exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We have the side skirt extensions as well. Colour-coded door handles. We have the black door mirrors. We also have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the third alloy wheel just down there, again in excellent condition. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the rear diffuser as well as the twin pipe exhaust. We have the 330i badging as well on the rear tailgate. If we open that up just like so, you'll find we have a decent amount of space back there. We have a storage net as well on the left hand side. If we pull that back down and come round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, the foldable armrest in the centre. We have the fixed ISO points as well. We also have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We have the brushed metal door handles, the electric windows as well on the doors. Taking a look at the front, again the full leather interior. Both these front seats are just there, very comfortable seats indeed. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the auto lights and also the auto wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. If we take a seat inside, you'll find we have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. We also have the high beam assist as well. There's a look at the dashboard. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights other than fully fuel, so nothing to worry about. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that's flickering, then that's just the camera, so again nothing to worry about. On here you'll find the likes of the sat nav. We also have the media, where you find the DAB radio. We also have the FM AM. We have the CD player, the Bluetooth audio and the USB as well. With the phone connectivity just there. We also have the different drive modes as well. We have the Eco Pro drive mode, we have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus. Putting the car into reverse, you find we have the parking sensors, the front and rear parking sensors just there. Put it back into park and moving further down, we have the climate control just there, the ice cold air conditioning working just as it should do. Inside of here you find we have the cup holders. We also have a 12-volt connectivity as well. We have the different drive mode buttons just down there, the parking sensors. We also have the traction control as well. We have all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen just there. We also have the leather armrest as well, which can be opened up for extra storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.